FIA8600 Quantitative Immunoassay Analyzer Introduction. FIA8600 Quantitative Immunoassay Analyzer is designed to provide point-of-care testing that meets laboratory quality control requirements for professional and clinical use, auxiliary early detection of diseases, and continuous monitoring of patients can be realized by testing on FIA8600 with advanced technology, simple operation, and reliable result. Contents: Part 1. Unpack FIA8600. Part 2. Installation. Part 3. Operation demonstration. Part 4. Directions to use capillary pipette. Part 1. Unpack FIA8600. The package includes FIA8600 instrument, a power adapter, a data cable, a QC card, a roll of printing paper, accessory bag. Please check the items according to the packing list. Let's learn about FIA8600. All the testing can be completed by touching the menu on the screen. When operating FIA8600, you also need to use RFID card sensing area, testing slot, and inbuilt printer. The rear end of the instrument has power switch, power port, USB port for software upgrade, and optional barcode scanner connection, Ethernet port for LIS, COM port for PC connection, LIS, HIS. Part 2. Installation of FIA8600. The FIA8600 analyzer should be placed horizontally on a clean table with enough space for performing tests. Avoid places where it may be exposed to dust, water, direct sun exposure, electromagnetic radiation, or vibration, as these factors may affect the results. When install the printing paper, draw a line on both sides of the paper and load it into the print port with the side that has a black line facing down. Before turning on the analyzer, connect the power supply and the barcode scanner, which is optional. Press the switch to turn on the analyzer. System will start its self-checking and then enter the main interface. Then let's look at the touchscreen. The icons on the color touchscreen will lead you navigate through the menu. Click Search to check saved data by typing in a test number or an ID number. The searched results can be printed out manually. Click Settings to set common functions of the instrument. Click Debug to adjust internal parameters of the instrument and to test common functions. ID number, panel mode, and sample mode can be set on the interface of Measure. Click QC Check to set internal parameters of the instrument to ensure accuracy. It is recommended to perform quality control with the QC card every other month to ensure correct operation. Click QC Check, QC Card, and take the QC card out of the aluminum box and insert it in the test port with the arrowhead inward. When you hear a click sound, which indicates that the card is in place, click OK to complete the process. Each analyzer is equipped with only one matched QC card. Please keep it safe. Press Cancel to return to the main interface after finishing operation. Part 3. Operation Demonstration. FIA8600 Quantitative Immunoassay Analyzer shall be used with matched reagent kits as listed in the table below. Samples of whole blood, serum, plasma, and urine can be applied to the system. To ensure the accuracy of measurements, please allow 20 minutes of warm-up time for the instrument before testing. Each FIA8600 kit contains 25 individually packed testing cards, product specifications, one SD card, and other consumables. Production dates, batch information, and expiration date are labeled on the side of the packaging box. The test card must be used within 1 hour after opening. To ensure the accuracy and the comparability of testing results, the instrument should be calibrated with a batch-matched SD card each time when a new batch of kits are used. The operation steps are illustrated as following. Click QC Check on the main interface, then click QC SD, and put the QC SD card properly. Data will be read automatically. Then click OK to complete the QC process. The operation of FIA8600 instrument only has 3 steps, which are very simple. The testing process could generally be categorized into 2 types, according to diluent requirement. The tests of HSCRP and CTNI are used here as demonstrations. Testing demonstration of HSCRP. Step 1. Preparation. Set up the parameters. Press Measure to prepare test. Choose Inside Mode and switch sample type to serum plasma. Type in an ID number of a testing sample or scan sample barcode with the scanner. Sample processing. Obtain serum plasma samples by centrifuging blood. Step 2. Sample loading. First, take 10 microliter sample with pipette or capillary. And mix it gently with 1 milliliter diluent. Then, take out HSCRP test card and add 120 microliter diluted sample on it. Step 3. Measurement and auto result printing. Insert the sample card into the test port with the arrow side inward. On hearing the click sound, check panel and sample mode. Then press Measure to start testing process. Testing demonstration of CTNI. Step 1. Preparation. SD card quality control. Parameters. Outside mode. Whole blood. ID value. Step 2. Sample loading. First, take 120 microliters of serum sample with pipette or capillary and add it into the test card. For whole samples, only need to add a drop of diluent. Then count down 15 minutes for reaction. Step 3. Measurement and auto results printing. After the reaction, insert the test card into the test port. Click Measure to test and print the results automatically. Turn off the power and clean the table after operation. Part 4. Directions to use capillary pipette. Insert the quantitative capillary pipette into the sample tube. Touch the surface gently with the edge of the capillary pipette and take the sample. Note: do not extend the exhaust pipe below the liquid level. Insert the capillary pipette and exhaust pipe into the dilution liquid. Pinch the suction bag gently and clean the capillary pipette 2 to 3 times. Mix the dilution manually. Insert the capillary pipette and exhaust pipe into the dilution liquid. Pinch the suction bag and take the sample after mixing. Pinch the suction bag and drop the sample vertically into the sample port of the test card.